how to animate individual graphics in a Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can animate individual graphics in a Canva design that is filled up with multiple graphics. So as here you can see, I have this blank Canva design ready, and in order to demonstrate, let me add some elements into this particular design first. So in order to add some elements, I'm going to click onto this element option, and as you can see, I've searched for nature. So under the graphics, I can add some particular elements like say this, and then there are more. For example, let's say this one as well, and let me also add one more so that it looks more clearer. So let me choose any still element like this. So now I will show you how you can apply animations into these particular different elements or different graphics. So the first thing is that you can choose any element, let's say this one, and then you will need to click onto this animate button at the top. And from here you can choose any animation that you would like. And here are these animations, and you can view the preview as well. And at the bottom there are also some add-on effects as well if you want, or if you want to create a custom animation, you can simply click onto this create an animation, and then you can drag this particular element in the way that you want. So for example, let's say like this, and now this particular element, as you can see, will follow the same path. You can change its movement style like smooth, steady, and so original as well. And there are other options like this, flicker, pulse, or wiggle as well. So you can see that we have applied an animation into this object, and then we can do the same for the second one as well. So let's apply static animation into this. Let's say the chroma wave, and simply close it. And now it's time for this third element. Let's apply an animation into this one as well. Let's say the blur, and once we are done with this, you can close this and click onto this present button and click onto the present option, and here you can see that the transitions are working beautifully into all of these. So that's how you can easily animate individual graphics in a Canva design or presentation. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a nice day.